Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about can you link your Etsy shop to your website? And as more people are building their own websites, this becomes an issue because you do eventually want to move your Etsy customers to your website, but you can't do it in a direct way on Etsy because of fee avoidance. Fee avoidance is when you're basically taking customers that started out on Etsy and saying, go shop on my website instead. That is explicitly against Etsy's terms of use, so don't do that. Etsy does give us one place in the About section where you can link to your social media and your website, so put the link in there. And then if you want to put a sign up link for your email list and that kind of thing, you can put that in your shop announcement, you can put that in your listings, but you cannot explicitly anywhere on Etsy say, go shop on my website instead because my prices are better or whatever reason. You can't say that. So don't tell people to go to your website and shop. That's fee avoidance and it can get your Etsy shop shut down. It's also just rude. Come on. So don't do that. Now, the other way to do it is if you want to link your website to your Etsy shop. So like if you want to set up a website on WordPress or another selling platform, but you're not quite ready to sell on that platform. And I know people who have websites on Wix and Squarespace and that kind of thing. And what they do is they put a link that says shop, and that link goes to their Etsy shop. So what happens is people will go to their website, they'll read about their products, they'll see things, and then it says shop, and it takes them to Etsy to do the checkout. So you're basically using Etsy like a cash register, and that's perfectly fine. Etsy loves that because you're sending them direct traffic. Now the risk to that is that they could go to Etsy and then bounce off of your shop and find a different shop. But sometimes it's worth it depending on what you're selling. For digital downloads, letting Etsy deal with the sales tax and the VAT tax, and even without with physical products, having Etsy deal with the sales tax is great. So it depends on what your situation is, but you can do that. You can just take the link to your Etsy shop, put that in your website, and direct people there to do their purchasing. But if you're on Etsy, you cannot put a link to your website and tell people to go shop there instead. That's against the terms of use. It will get your shop shut down. Don't do it. Leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.